Welcome dear students in pharmaceutical first practical session. Myself Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde. Today we deal with the experiment number 31. Title of our experiment is to prepare, evaluate and submit 10 gram of hair grooming gel. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students are able to understand and to develop some intellectual skills such as to understand the requirement for formulation of the gels, to develop the motor skills such as skill for neutralization, pH measurement and stirring. Then we familiar with some new concept like the gels. What are gels? Gels are the semi-solid preparation made using substance called as the gelling agent that undergo a high degree of cross-linking on association with the dispersing medium. The cross-linking of the dispersed phase will alter the viscosity of the dispersing phase by restricting the movement of the dispersion medium. In this way gels are formed. Then second is the gel content. Gel contains high proportion of water, almost 70 to 99%. Therefore, they are easily applied and wash away from the skin surface. Gels are generally transparent, which impart the elegance to the preparations. Though the gels contain the maximum amount of the water or maximum proportion of water, they require to add preservatives. Then we see the introduction to the cosmetics. Though the hair grooming gel is one of the part of the cosmetics, cosmetics mean any article intended to be rubbed, pour, sprinkle or sprayed on or introduced into or otherwise applied to the human body. They are used for the cleaning, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance, and include any article intended use as a component of the cosmetics. Shampoos, nail polish, toothpaste, these powders, sprays, lipsticks, all in the category of the cosmetics. Then we see the classification of the cosmetics on which the part of the body which they are applied. For the skin, creams, deodorants, lotion, powders. For the hairs, bread softeners, shampoos, shaving creams, hair colors, conditioners. Our today's preparation is in the category of the hair part. Then nail manicure preparation like the nail polish removers. Teeth and mouth category or organ, tooth powder, toothpaste. In a miscellaneous category, eye preparations and insect repellent creams are included in the category of the cosmetics. Then we see the today's preparations, that is hair grooming gel. Hair is an important component of all over the appearance of a person, whether a man or the woman. However, clean or well-dressed person may be untidy hairs will give a messy or overall impression will be the low of that person. So, hair grooming aids are important group of the cosmetic and are used by the both men and the women also to keep the hair in order for the good looking and also enhance the overall appearance of their personality. There are various hair grooming aids are used. First of all, brilliantines and or hair oils. Hair oils, this preparation completely adhere to the skin's hair surface and hold the hair in position to make them a luster. They produce a luster to the hairs and improve their personality. Hair settling lotion gel. These products after application dry to the invisible continuous elastic film that keeps a hair firmly, or they give a proper position, tight position to the hairs. Then hair creams, it can be either in a oil in water or water in oil form. Then hair sprays are dispensed in an aerosol container to give the proper luster to the hairs or to set any type of the hairstyle. Then we see the ideal properties of hair grooming agents. They are non-sticky one, they are non-irritant, these are economical one, These are the easily remove on the washing. They give the desired effect for the prolonged period of the time. These grooming agents, hair grooming agent, give proper nourishment to the hair. They do not cause any damage to our hairs. They does not dry quickly on exposure to the environment. Then we see the main ingredient required for the hair grooming gels, therapeutic agents, humectants, alcohol, antimicrobial agent, preservatives and stabilizers. Though they contain the gel in the form of the gel and they have a maximum proportion of the water, that's why we require to add the preservatives in the gelling agent or in the gels. Then we see the labeling. We should give the label for external use only and replace the cap after use. Then we see the apparatus required for our today's experiment: beaker, measuring cylinder, spatula, pipette and electronic balance. Then we see formulation table. The formulation table should contain the ingredients, quantity given, quantity taken and use of the ingredients. Our today's quantity given is for 100 gram, but we have to prepare only the 10 grams. Our ingredients are glycerin 5%, isopropyl alcohol 10%, carbamol 1.2%. Carbamol is used as a gelling agent, isopropyl alcohol used as a co-solvent, glycerin is used as a viscosity enhancer or humectant. Then citric acid 1%, which is used as for the pH maintenance, disodium EDTA 0.1% as a sequester metal ion, methyl paraben and propyl paraben as a preservatives. We use a water soluble color, purified water to make our preparation quantity sufficient of it to make the final content, and sodium hydroxide which is used in a quantity sufficient manner for maintaining the pH. For that we calculate the factor. Our quantity is given for 100 and we have to calculate only the 10. Our quantity required is 10, quantity given is 100, so our factor is 0.1. By this 0.1 we multiply the quantity given ingredients and we ultimately get the quantity taken. For an example, 5 multiplied by 0.5, we ultimately get the 0.5, that is the quantity of the glycerin. In this way we calculate all the quantities of other ingredient also. Then we see the stepwise procedure required for making the gel. First of all, carbamor is a generic name for the family of the polymer known as the carbopol. Carbamor is required to neutralize an pH adjusting chemical to create a gel after the gelling agent and has been wetted in a dispersing medium. Carbapol form an acidic aqueous solution that has a pH around 3. Then thicken at a higher pH around 5 to 6. Carbapor is very hygroscopic, that is quickly absorb the moisture from the atmosphere. Therefore, a proper handling of it is required. Citric acid is added to maintain the pH around the 3 for better dispersion of a polymer, that is carbapol. Then disodium EDTA is added to a sequester metal ion present in a water which otherwise interfere with the swelling of the carbapor. Then we see the stepwise procedure. First of all, wet the carbapol in absolutely dry condition. In a 50% of water, dissolve citric acid and disodium EDTA. Then disperse the carbapol 980 NF vigorously in above solution with solution by using spatula or overheated stir for around 30 minutes. That means proper stirring is required to make a proper solution or proper gel. Keep aside the dispersed polymer for the 30 minutes. Then add mixture of glycerin, isopropyl alcohol, methyl paraben, propyl paraben and remaining water into the polymer mixture and mix it homogeneously. Then after that our solution's pH is almost 3. Then for neutralize the above mixture using 10% NaOH and we neutralize up to the 7. Check the pH after each addition of NaOH using the pH paper. Category of our today's solution is a hair cleansing agent. Storage, it should be have a storage condition. Replace the cap tightly after use. Then we move toward the laboratory for the actual practical session. Students, in pharmaceutics first laboratory, today we prepare the hair grooming gel. Today we prepare the 10 ml of hair grooming gel. Let's see the apparatus and chemicals required for our today's experiment. We require glycerin, then isopropyl alcohol, then carbapol, citric acid, then disodium EDTA, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, coloring agent, 10% NaOH, and 2 beakers, measuring cylinder. This is pH paper and this is our container. We already measured all the chemicals. First of all, we start the procedure. For that purpose, we have to wet this carbachol in a dry form and separate it out. Then we take the 50% of water, that means we take the 5 ml of water. In that we dissolve the citric acid, weighted amount of the citric acid. Then we add the disodium EDTA. Mix with a glass rod. We mix the carbachol vigorously above solution using spatula, and we keep this solution for 30 minutes. Okay, we kept it for the 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we have to add this mixture: glycerin, isopropyl alcohol, methyl paraben, and propyl paraben. This is our glycerin. We have to add in this hair grooming gel preparation. Then we add major quantity of isopropyl alcohol. Then we add methyl paraben and propyl paraben and mix vigorously. See, our gel is starting to form. Mix vigorously to form the proper mixture. This proper mixture is now forming. Then we measure the pH of our solution. For neutralizing our hair grooming gel, we have to add drop by drop NaOH. We add starting 1 or 2 drops. And see it on, this is pH paper. On pH paper, we have to need to add more amount of the NaOH. Then we again taste for the pH on pH paper. We again add, see there is no pH between the 7, it's between the 5. This is the pH paper, from we can identify it may be closer to 6. So we have to add one more drop of NaOH into it. We test it on paper, pH paper. Then we see it nearer to the 7.1. It is between the 6 and 7. Our pH of our solution is almost between the 6 and 7. Now our preparation is ready one. Then we fill this our gel, hair grooming gel, into the wide mouth container. Before that we add little bit of water, required quantity of water into it, and mix vigorously. And finally we add the color into it. We finally add color into it. It is a water soluble color. Mix thoroughly for proper mixing and even mixing to get our gel proper texture and proper even color. Then we transfer this our gel into this wide mouth container. We transfer our hair grooming gel. See, this is our hair grooming gel. It has a proper consistency, easy spreadability, and even color. It is though it contains more water soluble ingredients, it's easily absorbed or easily washable. In this way we prepare the hair grooming gel and submitted it into the wide mouth container. Then we move towards the evaluation and observation table. After going through the laboratory procedure, then we move toward the observation and evaluation table. Observation and evaluation table consists of a name of preparation, test, specification and observation. Our preparation is hair grooming gel. We see that its appearance is the transparent, and we confirm that test. Its pH is 7, almost 7. We confirm that test. Its spreadability, its uniform one, we confirm that test. And its washability test or washability is easily washed, though our preparation contains the maximum amount of the water soluble content. It is easily washed, and we already see that we confirm that test. Then we move toward the labeling formulations. Label of our preparation is just like that. The label should contain on the upper side name of our preparation, that is hair grooming gel, and on the right hand side it contains its quantity or its volume. It is 10 gram we already mentioned. Then we mention the each 10 gram contain, or each 1 gram also we mention, but we prepare the 10 gram. That's why we maintain the here mention the quantity of 10 gram. Glycerine, isopropyl alcohol, carbamol, citric acid, disodium medium, ethyl, paraben, propyl paraben, colorant, then purified water and sodium hydroxide, all we mention. Then it mention its category, that is hair cleansing agent. Then its storage condition, replace cap tightly after use, and it should have the label for external use only. Then these manufacturing details like manufacturing license number, manufacturing batch number, manufacturing date, then expiry date, etc. And then finally contain the name and address of our preparation. Then we move toward the result. Result should be like 10 gram of or whether 10 ml of hair grooming gel submitted in a well closed container in a net label. Then we move toward the question answer session. Our first question is define gel. Gels are semi-solid preparation made using the substance called as the gelling agents that or that undergo high degree of cross-linking on association with the dispersion medium. Then the next question is write the mechanism of increasing in the viscosity using the gelling agent. Though we know that the gels are the semi-solid preparations by using the gelling agent, and these gelling agents are undergo high degree of cross-linking in association with the dispersion medium. The cross-linking of dispersed phase will alter the viscosity of the dispersed phase by restricting the movement of the dispersion medium in this manner, or by this mechanism gelling agents increasing their viscosity. Then the next question is which formulation require more preservatives, gel or the creams? The answer is the gels. Gels required more preservatives because gel contain more amount of water, almost 70 to 99%. Then the next question is write any two gelling agents. Answer is the carbamol, tragacan, sodium alginate, gelatin. All these are used as a gelling agent. And the next question is write 4 uses of the glycerin in pharmaceutical preparation. Glycerin is used as a viscosity enhancer, moisturizing agent, humectant and lubricant also. Then we see the next question, that is write the use of the citric acid. Citric acid is used to maintain the pH, or it should be used as a preservative also. Write 2 brand names of the hair gel. The next question is the answer of that: Set Wet hair gels, Garnier Pure Clean Gel, Jolon hair gels, then Invelen hair gels, etc. Number of preparations available in the market for the hair preparations. Thank you very much for attending this session.